Hello folks. It's funny I even make such a video. Well, I'm not a mobile maniac, so I'll just treat it as English language skills training, which I know is not perfect yet. Now, why you should always keep auto updates off for Android devices? Currently it's not a secret, but it wasn't so obvious about 5 years ago, when I started to suspect that my phone became a little bit more sluggish because of the software update. I became even more suspicious after I've learned that Android is the only system I know that can be pushed back to the previous version without flashing it, which is kind of risky and sophisticated for an average user. Knowing how marketing works, it's obvious they need some tricks to make people buying new models. One side is bringing new features, the other side is making your device slower and less responsive. So you could think it needs to be replaced. I've also noticed that it applies to the applications too, and it was when I needed more space in the internal memory. Some built-in applications are getting much bigger after update, while they're rarely or never used, so I've uninstalled any single one, recovered the space I needed, and still everything worked fine or even better. The funny thing to mention here is when Android tells me that Chrome won't start, while it actually does, without any problems, and the Google Play service isn't just outdated, it's actually disabled. Just look. Some of you probably know this, so it won't be a surprise. Here, update Google Play services. Chrome won't run unless you update Google Play services. Won't run? Look, it's running. Wow! Yeah! Woo! Wow! First time I'm playing with this. Okay, second. Okay, that's enough. So, oh yeah, one more thing. I know about safety fixes, but there are third-party apps to gain safety. If there is something like safety when it comes to mobile devices at all. Mainly, it all depends on how you use them. I'm not a big fan of mobile devices for a few different reasons, and the main one is health and microwave effect. That's why I don't use a mobile internet, because it's not really essential. And it seems like people were smarter when there was no smartphones or mobile internet. That's all.